Morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Today onwards, we are going to start our revision. Okay? Or we studied this chapter 1. God made them all. This is a poem. I hope all of you studied. Then also you have to revise it. This by heart. This 5 stanza is there that you have to study well. Okay? Then answer the following. These who made all the great and small creatures, whose tiny wings did God make, what brightens up the sky? Why did God give us lives? This exercise question answer also you have to study. Okay. Then next chapter 2, all for the best. Are you remember that story? What was the story? The minister, you always say, all for the best. All the situations of his life, always he say, all for the best. One time what happened? Once it so happened that the king got hurt and the thumb of his left hand had to be cut off. Hearing the news, all felt sad. But that minister commanded all for the best. The king was extremely annoyed. He ordered the minister to be expelled from the kingdom. Months passed by, then what happened? Once while hunting, the king got separated from his friends. It was getting dark. The king wandered here and there, searching for shelter. Finally, at a distance, he could see a light and he heard some noise, hoping to be saved. He went there. To his shock and surprise, he saw some strange people speaking a strange language. They were preparing for some kind of ritual. Seeing the king, they became happy and started discussing something seriously. The king told them what happened, but neither the king nor the people could understand each other. The language they also, that strange people only, king also what is saying, king also not understand. Then that strange people's language also, both of them cannot understand what they are speaking. They tried the king and were going to kill him and offer him as a sacrifice to their god. Suddenly they noticed that his thumb was missing. They released him as it was against their custom to offer a person with a defect or a blemish. Meanwhile, the countries came and saved the king. Now the king realized the meaning of what the minister used to say. What do we learn from this story? Everything that happened in our life has a hidden virtue in it. There is some virtue, hidden virtue in it. Whatever happened is for our good. When something happened against our wish or we do not get what we ask for, we become sad and we start cursing God and others because we fail to see God's plan in our life. Remember, God knows everything. He lets only those things happen that are good for us. So we must happily accept everything that God gives us because whatever God sends is for our good. Okay? All of you, I hope all of you understood this. Remember the story. Okay, exercises. Answer the following. What was the minister's usual response to every situation? Already I given the question answer. You have to study all the question answers. Why did the king expel the minister from his kingdom? Why did the people tie the king? Where did they release the king? Why? What do you learn from the story? When do we start cursing God and others? Why? Why should we accept everything that God gives us? Fill in the blanks. Anything that happened has a hidden virtue in it. Whatever happens is for our good. Whatever happens is for our dash good. We fail to see dash plan in our life. God's plan in our life. Then fourth, dash knows everything. God knows everything. Fifth, we must happily accept everything that happens to us. We must dash everything that happens to us. Happily accept everything that happens to us. State true or false. God knows everything. That's true. Many times we fail to see God's plan in our life. True. Okay. We fail to see God's plan in our life. Okay, true. Then third, it is easy to happily accept everything that happens to us. No, it is false. Okay, it is easy to happily accept everything that happens to us. It is easy to happily accept everything that happens to us. False. Anything that happens has a hidden virtue in it. True. Okay. Anything that happens has a hidden virtue in it. Okay. True. And this much all of you study. Then next, who said to whom? That kind of question also will come. That is not there. Then all for the best. Who said to whom? The minister said to king. Okay. That kind of question also, and your book there is, you have to read, then only we can find out that. Okay, all for the best. Who said to whom? Minister said to king. Okay, that way. Then only that way also again that chapters I will come, and then next question answer also I will say and study. Okay, that question answer and all I give you PDF. You have to study well. Okay, then I hope all of you understood this poem and question answers. Then second chapter is to one by one you have to study well. Okay, once in a week only we are getting. That is why I am taking these revisions. All of you study. Okay, thank you children. Okay, next time we will meet again. Okay, thank you.